So, it all starts with this LCS device. This LoRaWAN device measures the sound level in our office and sends the data via LoRaWAN to our akenza platform. Once the data is available in the akenza platform, we just need to compare the noise level with a given threshold to be able to then send alerts and notification to our Slack channels. So this is what you see on this screen, where the data input source is the LCS device, which then goes into a logic block that compares the sound levels to a given threshold. And when this threshold is reached, we send a notification through Slack. And this is what you see on the other screen with our Slack channel and all the message that we received today from this little noise monitoring solution. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a noise monitoring solution with akenza. So I invite you to try it. We have a 30-day trial, and we'll be happy to help you, to support you with any smart solution that you want to create with akenza. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.